Alright, what's up? It is 6:35 on a Wednesday. Just priming a couple cars for tomorrow. I am shooting a 1.7 with the Solid Jet 100 BF. It's the HVLP one. I think they have like a BFRP or something as well. That's a sweet gun. We're doing another 6.7 power stroke. Fixing up on a Range Rover. This is a nice little Mopar. Can't tell by the air ride. Nice, another Mopar. Just wanted to give a little update on the setup. We've got sockets and ratchets and some power tools and some gloves and some lights and some sanders and my masks and a bunch of go-to stuff all up front now, or up top, front and center. So that's new. It's pretty cool. Second drawer I am converting into my spray gun drawer, so I can half pull it, and then once I pull out the back, I'll move out some of these torque wrenches, put them somewhere else. I'm hoping just to have a line of my spray guns. This is my new one I got. I can go through real quick. I got cap off real quick. I got the Solid Jet 5500 RP, 1.3 with the I-tip. Pretty cool gun. I'm still getting used to it, but when it puts it on nice, but give it a little too much and she'll orange peel on you. It's alright. Techno Pro Light, my other clear gun. She's a go-to. This one I'm running a TE20 air cap with the 1.3 fluid tip. And she does well. Sure gets it on there nice and crispy. I guess that's a bad verb for laying down some clear coat. This puts it on nice. That's my only base gun at the moment, so keep her nice and clean. This is another Techno Pro Light, except I shoot it out of a TE10 with a 1.2 fluid tip, so helps me a lot on silvers and whites and just general blends, crank up the pressure a little bit. And then this is my other solvents and materials gun. Is a FLG4 waterborne compliant to build this gun that I'm spraying a 1.3 with a, I guess, a number 3 A7 air cap. I don't know. The fan's not very big, but the atomization is great. Puts it on nice and even and slick. Just not a very big fan. I already showed you the primer gun. I have some more guns in the mixing room. But this is just what I've got put back so far, trying to get that full. It's quite a big drawer, so I mean, it's going to take a while. This old junk active spray, it's going to take a while to fill that up. Really cool. Wrenches. Wrenches and more wrenches, so different types. And a breaker bar. And some crow's feet with another breaker bar to make it a wrench. Breaker wrenches, showing all these. It's still all in the same place. The hammer drawer has grown. I've added my spot weld thing. Basically everything I use to pry crap. I put my drill in here with some bits. Tiny little glue slide pull for little door dings, hand puller, the hot glue, the cheap crappy glue. Maybe get some better ones. Hammer dolly, little, all the same stuff I've shown in my other videos. This is where it's basically all at now. This is where everyone lives. Sharing some space. Moving one down, this is still my paint shop drawer, but now I have my paint suit in there, keep my colors, trying to transfer them all onto these little, I forget what the fuck that's called now that I'm on camera. That is called a, this thing is called a, I don't fucking remember. God damn it. Cheater stuff, polishers, stuff, more stuff. Stuff that came with stuff. Stuff, paint. Stuff. It's always a cool one. Anyways, moving down. This is still pliers and my big light, and I got a bunch of these, but they're all being used on some Range Rover parts. So that's that. And down here, that's where I keep some extension cords, some batteries, a jump box, some hoses. I need to fix the hoses. Still kind of just like miscellaneous crap. Not sure what I want to do with this drawer. Still T-handles and bits and some Torx, some other bits and, you know, Torx and hex stuff. This is where I keep the picks now and all the trim tools still. Pretty cool. And the electrical drawer with the voltmeter and the power probe and the heat gun and all the tiny little sizes of frickin' Phillips and flats and Torxes. And I just put this smart clamp on stuff to see if it's got power or ground and, you know, same old stuff, same old. And some jackets and whatnot. Here I keep paperwork, flag sheet stuff, receipts, catalogs, chargers, wallet, go pats. That's where I keep some spare blocks and all my screwdrivers and some baggies for bolts. My tablet and my laptop goes. Knick-knack, paddywhack stuff. And that's about it. Like keeping everything, everyone updated on what's going on. Better get back to priming. The second coat is nearly dry. You see just a couple little here, there spots. This is the solder. This one's still wet in the middle from the first coat, but she puts her on nice. This is silky, so. But thanks for hanging out. More F-150 stuff. Try and keep everyone updated as I continue on. So keep trucking. Comment if you have any questions. If not, give me a like or thumbs up or a subscribe or something. Hope you liked the video. Peace.